Hi, I'm Madonna from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Elaine, and she is one of my good friends. She started coming a couple years ago. We met through my website anyway, and I love it. She and her husband and her sister come down all the time. And what's the drive? How long is it? Is it an hour and a half? An hour and a half, yeah. So anyway, I love it every time I get to see them. So she has the cutest haircut. So this is a really good one for low maintenance and fine thin hair, but it looks full when you're done. So, all right, number 3 I'm gonna use with the clippers. Yeah, it'll be fun. I'm gonna do a video on her sister also. Her sister has purple. We put purple in her hair and that's fun. Elaine's done that before. Just done a little bit of everything, right, Elaine?
Right. But my husband didn't like it.
Yeah, so she kept it out. But I have to tell you, he's a sweetheart, so we listened. We kept the purple out because he's a sweetheart. He's laughing over in the corner. He's seriously awesome, oh Brent. Okay, so the number 3 up to about the middle of the ear. And then I will show you guys how to blend that in just a minute. Okay, now the top she likes just short. She likes to take the flat iron to it and just kind of pull it up and where it's spiky. So you can see that I'm just point cutting into this top to where it's shorter. And then back here, I'm just, so from about here down, I'm bringing my fingers in. So you can see how they're in by the head here and then out to that length at the top. Okay, and then up here, same thing. Just hold that. Wow, that was long, Elaine. Was that hard to do?
Yeah.
Or you just deal with it, right, when it grows out?
Either that or I just trim the top myself.
Oh, even better. See, you just trim the top yourself like Elaine. You'll be just fine. Oh, that's
but I
great.
always get lots of compliments on my hairstyle.
Oh, I'm so glad. I love that. I seriously, when I met Elaine, she has some curl when it grows out. So she had it longer, and so there was a wave to it. Anyway, and so we took it shorter and then styled it this way. And I cannot believe that before and after picture, you know, from back when you first come. It was just crazy. Like, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but she looks 15 years younger. Like, and I don't mean that rude, Elaine. Like it just did. It's crazy what a hairstyle will do. You know, to just brighten you up and just, I don't know, it just looks so good on her.
I know, I'll do anything I can to look younger.
That's, see, she even drives an hour and a half to come look younger. Oh, that's cute. Cute. No, it's been really fun. I've got to know she and her husband and now her sister, like, they are just amazing people. And now it's fun because I'm learning their grandkids and I'm learning all sorts of different things. It's fun. It's the thing, you just don't cut people's hair. You become like extra close to them, and so that's fun too. I love that. Love it. I was talking to him, I'm like, it's kind of crazy because you can see that I'm just holding that ear down and taking that length off. But yeah, we was just talking, and probably their next haircut, I will be in my new home. So that's crazy also to think. Okay, I'm holding that ear down with my comb. Okay, and then we'll come back to this part and I'll show you how we're going to blend that. Okay, so I'm just coming across the front. You like the length of your bangs, right?
Yes.
So you don't want those shorter. So make sure when you hold up, if they like the length of their bangs, that you don't cut into their bangs. So hold it up enough to where they fall out. And then obviously if, you know, they do want some length off of that, just keep going straight or kind of go down a little bit if they need it shorter.
Had a lady come up to me after church one day and said, I saw you on TV.
Oh, no way. That is awesome. That's cute.
I said, I must have been getting my hair cut.
Yeah.
The only reason I was ever on TV.
Oh, that's great. That's cute. I know it's funny, and it's fun. I've met people that way too. Like one of my clients now that has come from, or for years now, probably at least 3 years, Kathy, she was from Leamington. I was in Conoco the one day grabbing a drink, and she's like, are you Radonna? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, wait, I watched your YouTube for a couple years now. And so anyway, little did I know, she lived in Leamington, like, which is what, a half hour, 40 minutes from here. Anyway, so now she's been coming. So it's really fun. I love it. Love it, love it.
Well, that's one town in Utah I've never heard of.
Yeah, it's over kind of by Delta. So yeah. So you can see I just cut around her ear. And then through this area and just point cutting. And then I just come through here and take a little bit of this length off. That way. And then at the end, if I need to take this a little bit tighter, I do with the clippers, but we'll just wait and see if she needs more. Okay, so now this side on the sides. You can see I'm holding it out, so this is that top layer, and I'm connecting that side to the top layer. I love when you said you cut it, Elaine.
Oh, I've done that for years.
That's so great.
In fact, I used to cut my hair myself for about 2 years.
Oh, did you? That's awesome.
Because I'd go get a cut and I'd come home and start whacking on it because it was never cut the way I wanted
Wanted
it.
it? How cute.
I finally thought, why am I paying somebody to cut my hair? I don't
When you
just
come home and cut it
myself?
yourself.
Yeah.
Right.
So I just decided to start cutting it myself.
I love it. That's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, so now I'm just holding the sides out to make sure they're the same length. Yep, there's that little corner. It's so funny when you get cutting and you go to double check, you can see, you can feel, and then you go back and there's a tiny corner and you're like, oh, yep, I get that now. Okay, so I like to take a thin comb, it's a cutting comb, and I come through here, and you can see that I just take my comb up. Don't hold it too close to the head, like bring it out a little bit so you can blend this in. Okay, perfect. Now, what we'll do is we'll take the little trimmers. Just make sure that's blended good. Yep, that should be good. And then we're gonna take the little trimmers and do her neckline. And just kind of round that up into the side here. Okay, and then same with this side. can just go up if you need to after you push down so it's nice and clean. And then just hold the ear. Okay, awesome. All right, now you can take and blend through this area a little bit with the texturizing shears. And then I just do a tiny bit up through here. You don't need much at all, just for that to help stand up. Okay, and then I will show you how to style. This is the best part about Elaine's haircut, is you will see from start to finish how fast it is. Okay, so the mousse and then the volume and lift spray, just a few sprays of that. Okay, just roll the back down. Go back and forth with the fingers. Back and forth with the Epic brush. See, dry. Love it.
I saw a post on Instagram yesterday. This lady had a short haircut. Someone had said, "That's just too short. You look too mannish." And she says, "Well, you know what? I didn't do it for me. I do it for, or I didn't do it for you. I do it for me."
That's awesome. No, that's perfect because it's true. It's like, hey, don't diss it till you have to do it, right?
That's right.
And easy is good, and if it works for you, that's awesome. Good for her. I love that. And that, I mean, just this back, and I'll show you guys when I turn her around. I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so I can see. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. Good, good. It'll stand up now.
Yes, it will.
That's a good thing. Okay, so you can see I'm just piecing out her sides with this clay and her bangs, and then just up through the top. This is what makes it so cute too, is just piecing it out. Super fun. Okay. Just spray it. Okay, one more time in the mirror so I can see the finished. All right. Okay, I'm going to turn her around so you can see how nice and tight and clean her neckline is. I love that part a lot. Okay, well thanks Elaine so much for letting me show off your haircut.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it, and thanks to all of you. I hope you are having a great day and hope you enjoyed the video on her cuts. So have a good day. See ya.